What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the OnePlus 7T Pro against the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we have the Snapdragon 855 Plus versus the A13 Bionic, 8GB of RAM versus 4, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now at the time of recording, the OnePlus 7T Pro was on Antutu version 8 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max was on version 7. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max finished first, however the OnePlus 7T Pro scored higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro Max scored higher on each of the categories, and that is probably due to the different versions of Antutu Benchmark. So that wraps it up for this Antutu Benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.